Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday on the 10th of December, Microsoft started rolling out a new update for Copilot for Windows Insiders in the Insider program. And Microsoft has said that with this update, the previous Copilot Progressive Web App, PWA, which we are currently looking at now in the stable version, is replaced with a native version. So after installing the Copilot app update, when you run Copilot, you will see it appear in your system tray. Now, first of all, before we have a look at the new Copilot, just a bit of a brief history, because it seems like we're coming full circle a little bit here with the rollout of Copilot and where it's actually accessed from regarding the taskbar and the system tray. Now, when Microsoft first showed off the Copilot chat in Windows back in May last year in 2023, it was a button in the taskbar found here next to your search at the bottom in your taskbar next to search that opened Copilot in a sidebar which used to fly out here from the right hand side. That's how it was originally. Then Microsoft moved the button to the right side of the taskbar, basically here where the notification bell is, right next to that in the system tray, right here to the right hand side, where I actually preferred it. And then earlier this year, the sidebar was replaced with this app, the Copilot web app, and then that also underwent a good couple of user interface tweaks and adjustments, lost a lot of its functionality, and was also named from Windows Copilot to Copilot on Windows. So that's a bit of a brief history before we have a look at the new app. Now, according to Microsoft, if we just head over to an image from that announcement, Microsoft says you can access the new Quick View from Copilot by using the Alt and Space keyboard shortcut on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs. Because what is going to happen here is that the app, which apparently according to Microsoft is native, it'll launch very similar to the current stable version's Copilot app. But then what will happen if you use Alt and Space, it will take on this Quick View format. Okay, looking very similar to a little search menu or a start menu. So there we go. And you will also be able to move the Quick View window and resize it to suit your workflow, according to Microsoft. And you can also use Alt and Space to open and close Copilot's Quick View whenever you need to. And then to flip back to the main Copilot app window, you just press this little icon here to the top left in the title bar. And that'll take you back to the main Copilot window. So a couple of new adjustments. Microsoft saying that it's native and there's a new Quick View. Now, I must be honest, I quite like this new Quick View. I think it's a much better option to have than just a big app on your screen, and having a couple of choices to use the app or go into Quick View, I think is a nice move. And then once again, the Copilot app will be found in the system tray. So we kind of come in full circle here to some degree or the other. Now, regarding the app being native, there are reports now that are suggesting something else, because Microsoft hasn't given us an exact description of what they actually mean by it being a native app and not a PWA. But according to reports, the so-called new native Copilot still loads up copilot.microsoft.com, which is the online version of Microsoft, which is what the current Copilot in the stable version uses. Okay, so that apparently hasn't changed, although Microsoft's saying it's native, with the only difference being that the app is no longer powered by Microsoft Edge's PWA, which stands for Progressive Web App, and it still uses WebView 2, which is part and parcel of Edge. Okay, basically one and the same. And the rendering engine that powers Edge to display the Copilot web interface. So I'm not too sure at this stage what Microsoft is actually meaning by native, because according to some reports, that hasn't changed. It's still using WebView 2, so it's in effect still a PWA to some extent or the other. But nonetheless, I think having what they are calling this Quick View, I think is a nice move. But this is in the Insider program across all channels, okay? And that's on version 1.24, 112.123.0 and higher, and is available to all channels via the Microsoft Store in the Insider program. Microsoft says, though, that the rollout is gradual, so not all insiders will get the update right now, so just take note of that. So it's going to be interesting to see when this becomes available in the stable version. So currently this is what the new kind of modern Copilot looks like, and it's going to be interesting to see what that actually looks like. But we can see that it's still got that so-called little floating chat box here at the bottom. If we go back to that image, you can see that little chat box is more or less the same as to what we get in the stable version. So I think when it comes to the UI, it won't be much different, but you'll just get the so-called native app, whatever that means. Microsoft needs to give us a little bit more kind of info regarding that. And then, of course, you get that new quick view. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.